on this track, fam.
Check that shit out. You guys want to hear some revs? Throw in some revs right now. Let you know how she sounds for a stock exhaust. I haven't modded this car at all. It's all stock. So we'll do some revs right now. Any of you guys name your cars? I named my car. Her name is Agnes. That's right, that's my bitch Agnes right there. Check that bitch out. Yeah, she looks. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start her up. Give her some revs. I gotta check my tire. Okay, we're gonna put her into sport mode as soon as the car is done starting up. Alright, with Volkswagens, the newer models, they don't let you rev past 4,000 RPMs, but here we go. How's it going, everyone? In this video today, I want to go over whether the MK7 GTI is reliable. This is just my personal opinion, so don't hate too much. And then also go over some maintenance issues that I've had. As far as maintenance goes, I really haven't had too many issues. I bought the car at $35K. It now has, what's it now have? 71. And I mainly just had to do spark plugs, brakes, coil packs. I did the serpentine belt or the drive belt. So I really haven't had too many issues. I'm due for some shocks, but I was looking and maybe thinking of getting some coilovers, or maybe go back to OEM, or stick with OEM. I haven't decided yet. Coilovers would look sick though on this car. I mean, it's a little bit lower. I don't know. I gotta think about it. Only major issue that I've had was I put bad gas in the car. I put 91, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't a Shell or a Chevron. And then my engine light came on and I had faulty ignition coils. So I replaced the spark plugs and the ignition coils, and did have the brakes and rotors replaced once. After maybe 25,000 miles of driving on the car, I had the front brakes replaced and rotors also. Would I recommend the GTI to you guys? That's a good question. If you like Volkswagens, go for it. Just be aware you're gonna have some issues every now and then. Nothing major, it seems like, from my personal experience. But it's a cool looking car. I think it's pulling up to the pad. End the video here. If you guys like any of the content, please leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Other than that, take care.